welcome to another Laha escapade. Today it's just me. This week we've been making some Christmas ornaments. I've done 3 variations. One with a star, one bauble which I call Wiggly Woggly, but it's probably got a better name, and then another kind of bauble made with strips of paper. So take a look and then we'll have a chat about it. let's have a talk through what we did. So the one with the star, I used a star punch, which are easy to get hold of. I used some old paper from a book, which I have destroyed now, but never mind. And I really like the way that the paper is kind of yellowed, and with the writing it makes really cool vintagey stars. You don't have to use book paper. You could also use Christmas scrapbooking paper if you wanted to. Like, you can get these in various sizes, Or you could use old magazines as well. They often have nice colours and patterns in, so those are also useful. You can use all those things for all of the baubles I used today. Obviously, we used our prints because we like to laha our crafty projects here. But you can use pretty much anything that you have around, coloured paper, as long as it's a bit of a heavier stock. With the stars, it doesn't matter if it's thin paper because you glue it together anyway. But with these two other baubles, you want to have something that's a little bit thicker than your average printing paper. The one with the strips, I'm really happy with the way this one turned out. Again, you could use old wallpaper or anything that has a nice pattern. You could even probably use Christmas wrapping paper with this one. You might want to stick it onto another piece of paper first if it's a bit thin. You'd have to just test it out. But that was a really quick one. I also added some wooden beads to these ones. It's not necessary, but I had some and I thought it's going to go quite nicely with the natural theme that I want to have going on with our Christmas tree this year. The other bauble that I made, where you have to glue the different sections together, I would recommend using pegs rather than something like paper clips, because the first test one I did with paper clips, and you could see the marks from where I glued it. The tutorial that I found how to make this said that you can use glue dots. Well, I tried it with glue dots as well and double-sided tape, and both of them didn't hold. So I'm not sure if the paper that I was using was maybe a bit too thick and the tension was too great to hold it. So I ended up using PVA glue, which took a little bit longer because I could only do half of it. I had to leave it to dry and then I could do the other half. But overall with the effect it looks brilliant, and if you use two different types of paper and alternate them, each side will be a bit different. I think next time I do it I will also print the pattern on both sides, although I'm quite happy with the kind of optical illusion-y thing that you get when you turn this bauble around. I think it'll look better if the pattern is all the way through, so that's what I'm going to try next time. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this week's video and it inspires you maybe to make your own Christmas decorations. And stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll catch you next week.